Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by checking a couple essentials. Make sure you're signed into the same Windows account that uses OneDrive, and save or close any files currently syncing so nothing is lost. Next, click the OneDrive cloud icon in the taskbar notification area to open the client. If it's hidden, click the up arrow to reveal it. Once done, choose Help in Settings, 3 dots or gear, to expose the menu and prepare to stop sync for folders or the entire account. Now you'll disable sync for specific folders or pause syncing completely. In OneDrive settings, open the Account tab and click Choose Folders to see everything that's syncing. Uncheck folders you don't want mirrored locally and confirm. If you prefer a temporary halt, select Pause Syncing and pick 2, 8, or 24 hours. You can also right-click individual files or folders in File Explorer and select Free Up Space to keep them in cloud only. These choices reduce local storage and stop ongoing file transfers. To permanently stop sync on this machine, go back to OneDrive account settings and choose Unlink this PC. You'll be signed out, but your local files remain until you delete them. You can also select Exit from the OneDrive menu to close the app immediately. After unlinking, check your cloud files at OneDrive. Live. COM to confirm everything uploaded correctly. If unlinking fails, restart the OneDrive app or reboot Windows. Then repeat the unlink process. This often clears permission locks or stalled transfers and resolves sync errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.